What's going on, everyone? Happy July 6th. That's right, a couple days after 4th of July, we all survived. Now, we're heading to Motokai's Cruise In. We're actually a little bit early, so we're gonna walk over here at Sheets and grab a snack real quick. Be a little on the hungry side. It's been a long day. What do you say, Buzz? Look at that ride. Ah, just reckon over there somewhere, wherever you can find. Man, that's one clean four-door. Look, the only Honda, okay, one of two Honda chicks in town right here. Smile, you're on camera. What's happening, man? What's up, bro? Man, it does look good. The Judge.
How's he doing? Is it chemo?
Yeah.
Does it take a toll on him, or is he
Little. Yep. Look, a 78 Ford LTD. Look at this thing. That thing is huge. Look how big that hood is. Man. It's like, how do you see over the hood of this thing?
What's that?
I was like, how do you see over the hood of this thing?
My brother and I rebuilt that Lincoln, and then my brother had financial problems. My mom bought it from him.
Oh yeah?
He died.
They were the car to have in their day.
No doubt. Just sizing up the car, it's so, it's like, man, I'm not even all that tall.
Made enough money with that thing.
You ever seen one so clean? Oh, Napa. Say hi.
Don't film me, you'll lose subscribers.
Yeah. Now look, when you have a cold drink, you need a good koozie. That's how you get a good koozie. Yeah. Man, that's a, whew, smells good. So great, I'm not the Lone Ranger today. Let's see it.
When they're doing the gravel.
You heard that? Doing the gravel. Oh, let's get up here. Don't worry, crowd control. I'll move. I'm good. I'm limber. I don't know, I think the Mustang's got a little bit of a competition. What do you think, Patrick?
Yeah, pretty good. All right, we're here at Motokai for the first annual car show at Motokai. We've got Kathy and Matt, owners of Napa, presenting Justin for the burnout of the first Motokai car show with the trophy of this nice diamond plate cooler.
All right. Let's have a look at that. Hold on, how do you open that thing? Yeah! Nice and solid, that's a good one. Let's everybody give him a hand, best burnout! Woo! Alright, well that's a wrap for Motokai, first annual cruise-in here in Petersburg, West Virginia. Hope you liked the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Maybe hit that subscribe button. And hope you like Oscar's green Supra, the only one in town like it. It's definitely unique. So, but remember, anything automotive, hit up Motokai in Petersburg. Old Ronnie will hook you up. We'll see you in the next video.